My friends, good evening to all.
Sir, good evening, sir.
So, in the last sessions, early we completed first 1 week with AI with the Durga Sir. Okay, like seven days. AI awareness and AI mindset we build. Okay, so in the last week, whatever we covered, okay, very simple terminology. What is AI? Okay, AI tool or what is the AI? Artificial intelligence means machine intelligence or man-made thinking power. Okay, like next and after that we had a discussion about generative AI. Next, Google versus ChatGPT. What is the difference? And then we had a discussion about how you can use AI in our daily life. How we can use AI in our daily life. Okay, use it daily, every hour, every minute, every day. How we are using it is a part of our life. How it is there, we discussed. Next, the fifth one, a bit emotional topic we discussed. Can AI replace jobs? Okay, so this part we discussed. Next and after that, how AI helps how AI helps students and employees we covered. Next, why learning AI is the future safety. Okay, yesterday we discussed about how learning AI is the future safety. Like that we covered, right? Now the next concept what we have to discuss is generative AI basics. Almost next 1 week we record to talk about text generation, images generation, video generation. What at very top level. Okay, I'm not going to talk about any tools. Just a matter of just awareness and then prompt engineering. So I will cover some how to write best prompts. What are various techniques we record to follow, and then AI tools I will discuss separately. Don't worry at all. Okay, so here today topic very fortunate, most of the thing already we discussed in the last sessions only, so it's not at all new topic for you people. Okay, just the important topic what I require to discuss a day 8 is very simple, generative AI basics. What does generative mean in AI? This is the day 8 we require to discuss. Okay, just let me put the heading here is generative AI. Okay, so here day 8. Okay, what does generative what does generative mean in AI? Mean in AI. So this part already we discussed in detail. Okay, in the last session, so of course in the second day we discussed about generative means something we are going to create. Okay, generative means something we are going to create newly. That thing is a very important, right? Sir, best example, if you are going to the hotel, just I ordered one onion dosa. Remember, I ordered one tasty onion dosa. That's about my requirement, right? So, what the cook is going to do is, okay, he will prepare. Okay, he will cut the onions if it is not there, and then he will prepare. At that time, he will create that. Okay, and then he's going to serve. It's going to be served to me. Okay, like so, is it creating something new, or they are just providing already existing thing? Can you
Creating.
please observe?
Creating.
Creating. Okay, that creating something new. Okay, which is not copy paste, which is not copy paste kind of thing. Such type of thing is by default considered generative. Okay, in the last sessions, wonderful, beautiful way we covered Google versus ChatGPT. Okay, like what is the difference between one is okay finding, one can be used to find the data, just like a librarian role, how it is going to play search engine, but here it's going to generate something new. It may create content. Okay, it may create images, it may create videos, it may create voice messages, like n number of things it can create, it can generate. That's why the word generative. Okay, that part we covered, right? Suppose if I ask, okay, array ChatGPT, can you please provide Java 21 new features in very simple way in Durga Sir style. Okay, for the student who is studying third standard, then automatically my ChatGPT, of course, ChatGPT is the AI tool, which is the generative AI tool only. It's always going to provide, okay, in school standard style, in the school student understandable form. Yes, it's going to provide that explanation is something like in Durga Sir style. Observe carefully. So, is it providing already existing data from the web or from the net, or is it preparing, just like our dosha, onion dosha, is it preparing and serving to us? Okay, remember that it is creating, it's preparing, it's creating something new, which is nothing but what? Generative AI. Okay, we covered all these things in detail, but there is one small point. Yesterday we had one doubt got raised. Sir, is the live data, is it available? Is it available to the AI tools or not? This is about a bigger doubt for most of the people. Yesterday, this doubt got raised. Okay, because it's providing complete data, complete latest data. How it's going to be there? How it's going to provide? Sir, here there is one simple reason. The data which is available to the ChatGPT, okay, or AI tool, this data is always some fixed, sir. It's always based on some old data only it is available. But sometimes to get the latest information, what these AI tools are going to do is it will perform web search. What is that? Anyone can you please repeat? Web search. It's going to perform that
Websites.
capability. That capability is there for the AI tools. It will perform web search operation, okay, to get the latest information. The person who asked this doubt, is the doubt got clarified? Yes, friends. It's always, suppose best example for you. I'm the premium user of, okay, pro user of ChatGPT. Okay, just in this scenario, how it's going to provide a response here? Just have a look once. ChatGPT, I'm asking. Matter 1 minute, because this is the doubt. Okay, so just simple, I'm asking. So is latest information is available? Is the latest information is available to you? Okay, just I'm asking this question. Okay, so here just can you please have a look once? What is the knowledge? What it's told? Anyone can you please read this one? Yes, I have knowledge up to June 2024 built in already. Okay, have you observed, right? So this what current version I'm using? ChatGPT 5.2. ChatGPT 5.2 version. Yes, I have knowledge up to June 2024 built in already. For anything newer or real time, like current news, recent events, or weather report, I can search the internet. Okay, I can search the internet and give you the latest information. Just tell me what you want to update. Is it clear? Is your doubt got clarified?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember that these tools are always going to train with some set of data. That set of data is up to a particular date only. If any latest information is required, it's always going to search. It's always going to perform web search. It will search the web and it will grab latest information and it's going to provide to you. That facility by default is available. That's why it's always showing, okay, this data is fetched from so and so source. By default, that information also we can able to see, sir. If this web search option is not available, that AI tool not in a position to provide latest up-to-date information. Okay, for the current version, yes, this latest thing is there. Suppose I asked, Array, ChatGPT, what is the today's system date? Today date like. Then immediately it's telling today date is some 19th Jan 2026, like it's telling. Array, you told that you are not having latest up-to-date information. How you got this information? Like very simple. What it is telling is what it is telling is, array, you are asking date. My system date, my server date is there. For that, that information by default available with me. Can you please ask any other latest information? Like 1 minute, have a look once. Suppose, okay, I'm asking current date I'm asking. Then immediately it's going to provide. Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, please. Current date I'm asking. Immediately it's providing. Yes, today date is 19 January 2026. So how you got latest information? Okay, like I'm asking. Then immediately it's going to tell, sorry. Okay, I will explain in simple English. Yes, built-in knowledge. Already have stored knowledge till certain time. This is the big textbook inside me. The textbook already knows many things. But live update, when you ask a current date, latest news, surprises, even I check live information using the special tools. Just like you open the Google and check. Then I answer with the latest and correct data. Okay, like sir, now here just observe old method. Yes, reading yesterday's newspaper. My method, opening today's newspaper when needed. Remember this one, sir. Opening today's newspaper when needed. Okay. I do not think by myself. I do not guess. I either use stored knowledge or verify latest information before replying. Okay, like that's why latest information safely and clearly write. Suppose today dollar rate. Today dollar rate, sorry, just today dollar rate, like I'm asking. So here have you observed, right? Have you saw searching web? Have you ever saw that? Respond, friends. Have you ever saw at the beginning searching web? Like you saw that here. From where it got this information? Yes, here observe this one. There are 3 websites. It featured this information. One is Wise. Okay, Wise. Okay, like XE. Next and after that, okay, Ellen Chand. Like from 3 websites. This information is it got. Okay, from where, from which sources it got? All sources by default you are going to see. All sources by default it's going to say from these websites it is bringing this data. Remember this one, it's bringing this data. Is it live data or not? Is it already, is this data, is it available for the chat GPT? Okay, through web it's available, but not in pre-trained data. Remember this one. Clear, right? The doubt got clarified. Not required to keep any explanation about this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Sir, next, there is one small technical term I will discuss. Generative AI, the basic introduction only I require to provide today. Okay, that is the day 8. Already we discussed. There is some few technical terminology. Let me introduce, friends. AI tool, Chat GPT. Chat GPT is best example for generative AI tool. Chat GPT, so it is something like a app with the LLM. LLM is nothing but some brain. Which LLM is used inside ChatGPT? Can you please confirm, anyone? GPT. Can you please tell
5.2.
complete abbreviation of GPT?
Generative pre-trained transformer.
Excellent. Generative pre-trained transformer. The last word, everyone, can you please spell out once?
Transformer.
Transformer.
Now my question is this GPT word, is it related to ChatGPT, or is it related to for every AI tool?
Every
AI tool.
AI tool
Every AI tool.
Remember
related
that.
to the
Okay.
LLM.
So for every AI tool, this GPT word is common. But ChatGPT people, they are a bit lazy people. Instead of giving their own name, already they use it, right? GPT, they introduce it, right? Let me use that word only. Let me use that word only. Okay, like, sir, something like, this is something like, it's very easy. Hot, what is the, some Sandhya hotel is there. What is the name of the hotel?
Sandhya
Sandhya.
Hotel.
Sandhya Hotel. Okay. Sharma Hotel is there. What is the name? Sharma Hotel. Okay, well. But I have one hotel. My hotel name is hotel only. Have you observed, right? My hotel name is hotel only. Then what is the name of the hotel?
Hotel.
Hotel only. The same
Oh,
thing, yes, ChatGPT people did. For the GPT, they can give their own name. But they didn't. Already meaningful name only. What is the need of giving another name? That's why they used same GPT name, okay, in their chat GPT app. So Gemini people, they used some other name. Cloud people, they used some other name. Microsoft people, again they used GPT name. But Microsoft Copilot GPT, ChatGPT, both the things are not same. Both the things are different. One is from OpenAI, the other is from Microsoft. Remember this. Okay. Next, this GPT, who provided architecture? Who provided this architecture? Okay, OpenAI people are using, Gemini people are using, Cloud people are using. Okay, like multiple, all these people are using. But who defined this specification? Who provided this architecture? Like, this architecture first introduced by Google people only. Remember this one. So which company introduced this architecture?
Google.
Google people only. Okay, this GPT architecture, this GPT transformer architecture, this introduced through some white paper from the Google. The name of that white paper is, okay, attention is all you need. Remember this one. What is the word? Let me type this word. Okay, Google people introduced white paper, okay, attention, okay, is all you need. Attention, all you need, white paper. So Google people introduced white paper, attention is all you need, which describes GPT architecture. GPT architecture. Remember this one. So if you want, just you can just type in the Google, then automatically that white paper you people can able to see.
Following three ways. What are the three ways to display this exception details now in the catch log? First one is by using print
Come on, that
extracted
session is
text.
recording. Yeah, can you please mute yourself? Everyone, can you please mute? Yeah. Okay. So have a look once. Attention is all you need. Attention is all you need. Attention is all you need. Okay, like, so who provided this one is Google people, right? Yeah. Can you please have a look once, friends? Can I download this one here? Just if you observe that, yes, Google people, Google Brain, Ashish, Noyam, okay, Google Brain, Google Research, like, who introduced this one is the Google people introduced, right? In this, what their abstract, okay, this GPT architecture. Yes, this diagram, the most important, sir, in the interview room, if you are working really as a developer role, if you are working as a developer point of view, can you please explain about transformer architecture? Can you please have a look once? What is this word? Anyone, can you please read? Ayyo.
The transformer model.
Transformer
The
model
transformer
architecture.
model architecture. This word we used somewhere. Have you remembered, right? GPT.
GPT.
GPT. Generative pre-trained transformer. That transformer architecture is introduced by Google people, okay, as the part of this white paper. What is the name of this white paper? Is attention is all you need. Remember this one, attention, all you need. This is the white paper introduced by Google people. Actually, Google people first they used this concept, okay, not in AI tools. Remember this one. Google Translate, like one app is there. How many people aware? Google Translate.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
English to Hindi or Hindi to French. Okay, like first time Google people used this transformer architecture in the Google Translate app. Later, they introduced this one, so the people are started using in their generative AI models. LLMs, okay, this architecture only they are using. So the brain, the functionality, all the things are coming from where is from this architecture only. Very important question. Can you please explain transformer architecture? You should be in a position to answer. Of course, that is a peak stage. Okay, slowly we will discuss. Maybe to explain that 1 or 2 hours are required. Don't worry at all. At this stage, I'm not going to introduce. Believe me. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the architecture. This is the architecture introduced by Google people only. Remember this one, sir. Okay, well. Sir, now don't worry. At very top level, how the ChatGPT is going to work? How the ChatGPT I mean how the ChatGPT is going to work? Can you please explain GPT architecture or how ChatGPT is working at very top level? I want to talk with you people if you are very much interested. Can I?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
10,000
Yes,
feet
sir.
height. 10,000 from 10,000 feet height with everything abstraction I'm discussing. Don't think about internal things. Internal things later, if it is required, I will explain for you people. Don't worry. Okay. Here, have a look once about how it is going to work. Okay. There are some, if it is there, is it okay? Or otherwise, I have to introduce. Okay. Can you please just have a look once, friends? This is the transformer. Assume that. Okay, just for idea's sake only. I'm not going to. Okay, this is a transformer. Okay, this is the transformer. What I have. Okay, assume that. Now, do you know? Here it's always going to take the transformer is always going to take input tokens. Remember this one. What it's always going to take, sir? Can you please confirm? Okay, just later slowly I will change this paintbrush. There are some advanced tools are there. I will use those tools. Don't worry, sir. Input tokens it's going to take. Just top level basic idea sake. I'm going to explain for you people, right? Okay, just now here input tokens. Suppose you are asking, hi ChatGPT, hi, like I'm asking, sir. Whenever I'm asking hi to the ChatGPT, what is the response I'm getting? Now observe very carefully. I don't know. Just let me use this terminology.
I am H. Durga Sir.
Hi. Okay. Hi. I typed this one. What is my input sequence? What is my input token? Okay, sequence,
Hi.
input sequence. Hi. Hi.
HNI.
Now, what is the response I got? Can you please observe this? Hi. How can I help you today? This is the output I'm getting, sir. Do you know? This is there is no what we call surprise kind of thing. How this one is got generated? What is the pseudo code for that? You people should aware. Now here just have a look once. Okay, sir. Here how GPT how transformer works. how transformer works. Just at very top level I'm taking. So take input sequence. Take input sequence. Whatever you are giving input sequence, it's going to take. Next, convert input sentence or sequence, anything, sir. Input sentence. Okay. Take input sentence. Convert that sentence into convert that sentence into tokens. What is that word? Can you please confirm? Convert that sentence into tokens. Okay. Convert at very top level, friends. Convert those tokens into numbers. Because our transformation, so our GPT tool can understand only numbers. Okay, GPTs can understand only numbers. That's why convert those tokens into numbers. This is called embedding. Embeddings means this is tokens into numbers. Numbers like embeddings. Internally, it's going to be happen. Next, apply. Yeah, what is the name of the white paper? Anyone, can you please tell? I forgot. What is the name of the white paper?
Attention is all you need.
Attention is all you need. What is the first word?
Attention.
Attention. This is the most important. This is the technical term. Remember this, attention. Attention means yeah. Can you please mute yourself? Mute everyone.
Krishna.
Okay, attention. Attention means can you please mute everyone?
Krishna Gandapati.
Ayyo.
Krishna.
Yeah.
Krishna, sir. Krishna.
Ah,
Krishna Gandapati, Mamata.
okay. Can I mute all? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I have that option is there for me. Yeah. So now observe carefully. Now, here, do you know? I forgot. Yeah. The most important word, attention. This is the very, very important word. What it means is, do you know, it's always going to predict the word. It is going to check based on the context. It will identify related words. Yesterday I told bank. I want to deposit 10,000 rupees in my bank account. How AI tool is going to consider that? It is a money bank or river bank. How it can identify?
Using money.
Attention.
Have you observed, right? How it's going to identify? It will identify related word, related words it's going to check. It will based on the context it's going to decide. Oh, cash, deposit, it is related to the bank account only, money account only. That's why it's a related to bank, money bank, not a river bank. Like it will identify that what is by default considered as attention. Remember this one, sir. Attention. Okay, like now here. So apply attention to find the relationships. Apply attention to find the relationships. Okay. Next, predict next word. Next word. Remember this one, sir. Predict next word. Return output. That's it. At very, very top level. At very, very top level. How transformer is going to work is this is the thing, sir. Can you please take in your notes? At very top level.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sorry, sir. I'm having a doubt. Why it need to predict the next word? So attention is something which is going to make a sentence out of make a meaning out of a sentence. Correct. So suppose I'm having two banks like a river bank or normal HDFC bank or something. Okay, it came to know the meaning because of its previous word as a sentence,
Exactly.
and it came to the meaning. Correct. Okay,
Yes.
so it came to a meaning with a single sentence itself. What is the use of predicting the next
That
word?
that single sentence is not available at a time. Remember that the
Okay.
total sentence is not available for my AI tool at a time. That
Okay.
part I will discuss.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So can you please better to take this one? Take input sequence, convert that sentence into tokens, convert those tokens into numbers embeddings. That part is called embedding. Apply attention to find the relationships, predict next word, return output. Sir, this word is at very, very top level, friends. Okay, the people who want to learn AI tools just for user point of view, don't worry at all. I will cover in the most beautiful way. Okay, just oddly within a week after completing prompt engineering, every 3 days, 4 days, or 5 days once, one AI tool I will discuss. You are not required to worry. Just better to follow. If I aware at least a terminology, this is normal. For this, no knowledge is required. General terminology.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, apply attention to find relationships and predict next word is right.
Mm.
While user asking question, understand question, answering to the user.
Can you repeat? Last point I
That
didn't get you.
that apply attention to find relationships and predict next word is it is while understanding the user question sentence or while answering to the user or both.
Answering. While answering. Because that answering is going to be happen with multiple cycles, not in one cycle. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
While
while
understanding the question, sir.
Yes.
While understanding the user's question.
It may identify the context. Like let we will discuss in detail. Don't worry at all. Okay, just aware the word attention as of now. Even that complete algorithm, let me go through that. Then I may in a position to explain clearly. Don't worry. Just as of now, just remember the attention word. Getting? Maybe here while understanding the user input, first it's going to perform attention, or otherwise just while predicting the next word, it will use this concept. Just a matter of 1 or 2 days, I will clear. Don't worry. Okay, keep that as a doubt. Getting? Who asked
Sure,
this
sir.
one? Can you please? Yeah,
It's
don't
me,
worry.
sir.
Just
Omkar,
all these
sir.
3 or 4 doubts may be there because first time I'm handling, right? Don't worry. These things definitely will be clarified. Don't worry. Okay. So clear right up to this? Just aware, even just for pseudocode, how transformer is works at very top level I'm talking. I didn't talk any internal things also. Okay, just these small words. If we aware, then tomorrow if we are going to discuss in flow, these words we are not required to talk. So then the remaining internal things we will discuss. Okay, like now have a look once very carefully about this one, sir. This part is very, very important. Now here, observe if I use hi, this is my input. Okay, hi, this is my input. What is the output I got? Assume that, sir, just to understand this one at very top level. Don't think to get the basic idea only. I'm telling exact sequence. I'm not going to talk. Okay, just aware the idea sake. What is the output I'm getting? Okay, this is the output I'm getting, sir. Forget about this emoji. Okay, this is the output I'm getting. Assume that. Now, how it will be there? How it's going to be generated, right? Sir, first, what it did is we gave the input. Okay, input yes, hello. Okay, hi. Okay, like this is the input token. Now it's always going to provide. It's always going to provide just the output predict. Okay, it's always going to predict. Do you know the next token? how many here, just observe carefully, how many tokens or how many words is going to be predicted by transformer at a time is only one token. Remember this one, sir. Predict next token. Predict next token. This is the thing is going to be happen. Array, we are giving the input tokens. It's always going to predict the next token. But here, this process is going to be performed multiple times, multiple cycles. Huge number of cycles are required to perform. More computing power is required. That's why GPU concept is required. Okay, how, sir? Can you please explain? Array, first, can you please confirm what is the input I give? Please respond. What is the input I give? Yeah, respond. What is the
Hi.
input I give?
Hi.
Whenever you are giving high, okay, this is my input token I give. Then automatically, what is the thing it's going to be provided is, what is the next token it's going to be provided is just simply high only it's going to provide. Okay, because in the output also high is there, right? Okay, like high is there. Next, what it will do is, okay, next, what it will do is, sir, this high, okay, this input high, next predicted word high, both the things are going to be provided as input token to the transformer. Just observe this. Now it is going to generate what is the next word, how it is going to be generated. What are the next words are how is going to be generated. Okay, how it's going to be generated like. Next, high. Okay, high is the input. Next, okay, high is the input. Next, first token got predicted is high. Sir, this input by default gone. Okay, you are not required to worry about this input. High is the first token generated. Next word predicted is high. How? Now, these two things are going to be provided. Okay, it is going to generate next token is high. How? What is the next one? Your respond. What is the next one?
Can
Can is going to be generated. Next word is can. It's going to be generated. Now again high. Okay, how? Next can. These things is going to be provided to the transformer. Now it's going to take this one. Yeah, the transformer. Now what it's going to provide is, yes, what is the next token it's predict?
I
What is the next token it's going to predict? I. Okay. Next, the same thing. Okay. Can you please mute by default everyone, friends, please? Okay. Sir, I will be predict. Next, sir, high. Next, how can I? Okay. Sir, this one is going to take as input to the transformer. Now it is going to predict what is the next token? Please confirm. What is the next token?
help.
How can I help? Help. Like next, sir, here, hi, how can I, sir, help? How can I help? Help. How can I help? Okay, like, sir, what it's going to provide? How can I help? Next token is you, and then today. How can I help you today? Like, sir, next one is so you is going to be generated. Next one is going to generate today is going to be generated. Next one is going to generate end. Okay, just the end is going to be generated. Once it is the end, then automatically what is my input token? How can I help you today? That thing we are going to get the response. Just at very top level, friends. So just aware internally how this transformer is going to generate the data. How it's going to generate the data internally? Remember a bit very carefully. So at a time, it is going to generate how many tokens? How many words it's going to
One.
predict?
One.
Only
Transformer is going to
Only
predict
one.
how many
One.
things?
Only
Only
one.
one.
Only one token. Okay, maybe small changes, small variations may be there. Don't worry at all. At very top level, transformer, how it's going to generate this thing. But here, just a matter of 4 or 5 words, multiple cycles are going to be happen. Multiple huge computation is required. Then automatically, if the response contain huge number of token, how much okay processing time is required. For that, GPU's concept came into the picture.
Sir, a quick question. I think it's the right time to ask because of.
Yeah, 1 minute. Is it clear for you people? Just a basic idea sake. Don't worry at all, friends. Okay, just for basic idea sake. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you please take just for your reference sake, take in your
Sir.
notes?
Yeah, how it knows when to end the prediction?
When to?
How the system knows when to wrap up the prediction? When to
Yeah,
end
yeah.
the prediction?
Yes. That thing we will discuss in later. It will come. Don't worry. Just the idea say, my intention of telling this example is at a time, it will generate only one token. It can predict only one token. Next, multiple cycles are going to be covered. Multiple cycles are going to be performed by multiple iterations are going to be performed by my transformer. That thing up to that you can aware. Shekhar Reddy sir, clear, right? But how it's going to identify that this is the end of the response? Next and after that, that attention, is it required for input or output? These things I will discuss. Definitely I will cover in the next. Don't worry. Okay. Just the idea sake, can you please take this diagram for your reference sake? Hi, output is hi. How can I help you today? Okay. Take this diagram just for idea sake. Each and every doubt I will clarify, don't worry, but may take 1 or 2 days. Because we are going to discuss this cinema 365 days. Just only 7 days only got completed. Don't worry.
One doubt, sir. So the second iteration, 2 times high was there. The third iteration, only 1 time high.
That input I removed. This is actually input part, right?
Yes.
Yes, input
So
I removed.
one high, what we have give. So that one you have removed.
Only this part.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
First token is the high. Next, how? So, at a time, transformer predict. How many tokens? How many tokens it's going to predict?
One token.
Only
One token.
one token.
Only smart guessing based on learning. Here, no magic, no thinking like humans. No thinking like humans. It's always going to predict based on its trained data. Remember
Sir,
carefully.
last one today again it will send. Like how can I help you today? Then end or else
Then end. Correct.
that today will come this side, left side, and
This
it
side,
will-
left side. Because 2 iterations I didn't. How can I help you? Next, today is going to be generated. How can I help you today? And then end. Then automatically it's going to treat that the response. So all these things are slowly one by one, we are going to dig, friends. Don't worry, even all these terminologies are new to me. But maybe, so at the end of the day, do you know, AI can do the mistakes. ChatGPT can do the mistakes. Okay, maybe some small ideas sake I'm taking. Don't worry. If tomorrow any corrections are required, please. We are going to do this journey for 365 days, not 1 or 2 days. Okay.
Sir, sorry, sir, on minor doubt. Okay, sir. Input token
No
is
problem, no problem. Sir,
high.
please ask as many doubts as possible so that
Okay.
tomorrow slowly we are going to cover all those things, sir. So our clarity by default we will get. Don't worry. Yeah.
Input token, output token. Okay. Next. Okay, you have given correct. First
Yeah.
time I'm taking high. Okay. So it went in and it also first word it has created as high.
High.
Then how it predicted the next token. Correct.
Correct.
So it is giving input as high now. Correct. So as to the transformer. Then it predicted the next word as can. Correct.
Yes.
So in output also it should come like this, na? Before can, high, how, third time, high, how can. So same way it should come in the output also, no? Why single word in the output?
It's always going to generate only one token.
Okay, only
based
one
on
word.
this input, it will generate only next token. It will predict only next token.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Sir, here we can see as hi, how can I help you? Instead of we can say hi, what can I do for you? We can ask like that only, like that also, right, sir?
Yes.
Why
Yes.
the system also only fetch only this kind of result only?
That's what. Internally, maybe as per my knowledge, internally, the trained data, from the trained data, it identify the patterns in this style in ChatGPT.
Okay.
But if I ask
Okay.
the same question in the Gemini, then automatically I may get a different output, right?
Yes.
Okay, that trained data, based on that, it is based on trained data and identified patterns. This is the response it's going to generate.
Okay. Just for my understanding, trained data means already something that is stored in the database, like in LLM database, right?
Exactly.
Okay. And also here one more question, sir. Here there are a lot of approximately 7 words is there. Hi, how can I help you? Like you are saying that one time hi transfer to next word. Then again hi how. 2 words can
Yes.
transfer to next. Like that only it will process, right?
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Only at a time the output token is always one. So that the output token will be added to the input. Based on this input, can you please generate the next next token?
Okay. Got it.
Yeah.
Sir.
So this total thing at the end of the day, I'm telling, just for your basic understanding sake, from 10,000 feet height. Remember this one.
Sir, but a token means it's not necessarily single word, correct? It can be a group of words also, na? Because
No.
input token we are giving as a group of words, correct?
Yeah.
So output also can be a group of words sentence. It is giving only token, next token. It is not giving next word. It is not giving, correct?
Yeah. So in the next level, vectorization concept, like I will discuss, there we will talk all these things in detail. Okay. Yeah, please.
Sir, one question, like, can we understand like this way, predict the next token it transformer take as a again input token?
Definitely. At the beginning or otherwise. So it's always going to consider total input and it's going to generate at a time one token. You are talking about input high, right?
Yes.
Yeah, input high also is going to be considered.
So suppose here I have given input high, then it convert to higher. Now again high. So the next token is how. So the predicted next token is to like how high how. So it is a new token for transformer, right? High.
Correct.
Okay.
But what I did is just to remove that confusion, this input high I removed. Getting?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, here token is the words, right? For example, hi is the one token, how is the one token, can is the one token, right, sir?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
The word what we have is the token. We treat it.
No,
So
we
just
can
I'm
use
telling at the beginning, I'm telling this total thing is just for basic understanding sake only. Okay, don't think too much. Okay, internal things. Even slowly it will come. Even at this stage, even I'm not sure about internally the things are going to be happen. But with this knowledge, we can easily move to the next level. Okay, suppose tomorrow vectorization concept is there. There we will perform postmortem. Internally, all these doubts are going to be clarified. Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just for idea's sake.
Okay.
You
Sir,
have.
here
Mm.
I have one more general question.
Yeah, no problem.
So here the person, the developer will train the LLM, right? Maybe he can write. The developer work is that he can enter or something feed in the backend. That is the developer work, right, sir? In the
Correct.
backend.
Yes, the data, everything is going to be trained. The data,
Okay.
the LLM training part is going to take care by the what we call developer. So that
Okay.
this LLM is ready, boss, for so and so activity. Happily, you can use this GPT. So based on your requirement.
So can anyone test, sir, whether the trained data is correct or not?
Definitely. Because otherwise, if it is not, while what we call pooling that data only, so there are n number of things are going to take care. Okay, some duplicate data they are going to remove. Next and after that, there are some what we call if the data got collected from the web, then web div tags, next image tag, all those things are going to be removed. Okay, some data cleaning is going to be happen, data filtration is going to be happen. Is there any illegal kind of data is there, like it's going to be removed? Is there any personal data is there which is the copyrighted, that thing is going to be removed? All these activities are going to be happen, okay, at the input side before training that data to the LLM. Getting friend?
Thank you, sir. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, compulsory that data, so mandatory. Otherwise, so some illegal kind of data, if my LLM is going to be used, which is copyrighted data, assume that, then there is a bigger problem, right? That's why hundreds of millions of dollars the companies are spending, okay, on the data just to train LLMs. Okay. That's it. This is just the idea sake what I'm telling. Okay, maybe small corrections may be required just to get the basic idea how this is. Next vectorization, embeddings, how it is going to be happen. Slowly we will enter into this technical terminology. So next, let me talk about generative AI. Our today's concept is the same terminology. Okay, like sir, any explanation about generative AI terminology? Any explanation? Just a basic idea sake. Array content can generate, images can generate, or videos can generate, something like. Suppose, let me go for a small example. I have some prompt is there, just like somewhere I prepared or copy pasted, I'm not sure. Can you please have a look once? This is my, so this is the prompt. In the next session somewhere, definitely what is the prompt, how you can write the, so optimal prompts, like we are going to discuss. Just have a look once what it is going to provide. Sir, here, anyone can you please read, okay, these lines just with a bit of speed. Create an ultra realistic macro shot of food item. Okay, food item. We can replace food item with okay. Just I'm taking apple. Okay, apple featuring a tiny stylized kawaii face, something like culture, something like just I wrote the checks, nose and mouth like. Sir, what is this one?
भाग गया किचन तरफ
The input what we are giving. The input what we are giving. Remember this one. So the input what we are giving to the AI tools, that input is by default considered as prompt. Remember this one. What is that? Respond. What is that?
Prompt.
Prompt. Okay, like now I'm giving this prompt to generate an image. Okay, so image generation, image generation. Best AI generative AI tool is Gemini. Nano Banana is the best, right? Gemini, Nano Banana
sir.
is the best. Okay, let me use Gemini. Okay. Gemini. Okay, my requirement is create image automatically. So which thing it's got selected? Nano Banana. Okay, here just I'm taking how you 1 minute. Just this prompt not selected. What is the food item I gave?
Apple.
Apple, right? So create image. Okay, this is the prompt I use. Now observe this. So posters, everything. So Nano Banana. Some image I'm getting, I don't know. Which image? Yeah, wonderful. What is this image, man? Huh? Apple, right?
Apple baby.
Apple. Okay. Now let me download this image. Apple. Like now here next create videos. VUO 3.1. VUO 3.1. Okay, it's asking new chart must be required. Okay, let me add that reference image. Just now I saved somewhere. Wow. There is a problem with my system. Yeah. There is a problem with my system. That file I require to add. Why this problem is coming? Ayyo. There is a problem to prompt. Yeah. Create video. Add files. Upload. Ayyo. Okay, so I will fix this one. So very simple, sir. With this, if we can give the prompt, anyone having the access to Gemini? Let me bring.
Sir, drag and drop facility is there.
Sir,
Like
top
we
one.
can able to drag that file and place it.
Can you
over
please
the-
have a look once? That drag and drop is not working here.
That means we have to upload it.
Have you observed, right? If you are giving, then automatically this is the video which is going to be generated with the prompt. What is the next prompt we require to give? Okay, this is the prompt we require to give. Animate, only gentle and the teeny movements. Okay, the food, something like this is just the animation is going to be happen. This is the very popular. Do you know these type of videos are very popular in Instagram, right? Respond, friends.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very popular, right? These type of videos. You know, there are multiple YouTube channels are there only with this type of. Okay, just a change instead of okay, apple you can replace with mango, or you can replace with pizza, you can replace with egg, any type of thing automatically. Do you know this? So here, which AI tool generating required image? Gemini. Okay, Nano Banana. Which AI tool is going to provide is the video which is VO3 model. Are you getting VO 3.1 model? Okay, Gemini VO 3.1 model is the responsible to generate the video. Remember this. So, do you know the AI tool which can generate maybe content, maybe image, or maybe video? This type of thing is called generative AI tools. Okay, that is the day 8, the basic introduction, whatever I require to cover. Next, technical words, how the transformer is working internally, but there are some 2 or 3 doubts are there. Those doubts I will clarify for you people. Don't worry, just pseudo code at very top level, how the transformer works. Okay, convert input sequence into tokens. Next, and after that, convert those tokens into numbers, which is by default considered as embeddings, and then predict. So apply attention to identify relationships, and then predict next token based on the trained data. Okay, like this cycle will be repeated multiple times. Huge computing power is required. That's why GPU's concept came into the picture. Clear, right? Okay, let me just review this generative AI in different style AI video so that you can get some idea. Life skills with Durga Sir. So whenever we are using that technical terminology, as we are discussing first time, small doubts will be there. Don't worry, all those things by default will be clarified. Day 7 already completed, day 8. What does generative mean in AI? Can you please confirm this? Audio and video clear? Respond, friends. Audio and video clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes,
Can you please have a look once? Generate versus search. The heart of modern AI. Okay. Here search means find existing content. Find existing content. Finds what already exists. Sir, Google search is the best example. Google search is the best example. So it's a job here to locate and present pre-existing information. Okay, this thing is by default considered as Google. I mean search operation. Think of Google search. It finds web pages, but does not write new ones for you. Okay, like but generate means creates new content, create something entirely new. Okay, it learns patterns to produce fresh sentences, images, and ideas. It learns patterns to produce fresh sentences, images, and ideas. So here one technical word is there. What is that word? What is the word here? It learns patterns. Remember, it learns patterns to produce fresh sentences, images, and ideas. Okay, it works like a brain, not a copy machine. Okay, after reading 10 books, you write your own new answer. Yeah, it does the same. After reading 10 books, you write your own new answer. Yeah, it does the same. It works like a brain, not a copy machine. Think ChatGPT, it can write a new email, report, or birthday wish for you. Okay, like so, generate. What is the meaning of generate in generative AI? This is what you people should aware. Okay, mostly everything we covered already
Hello,
last
my dear
time.
friends, and welcome back to our little learning session. Today, we are going to take one more small, simple step into the world of AI. Don't worry, it's going to be very easy and very interesting, I promise. So, just get comfortable, maybe grab a nice hot cup of chai, and let's begin, okay? We're going to learn just one simple but oh so powerful word today. Are you ready? All right, so here is our special word for today, generate. I'm sure you are hearing this word everywhere, no? Generative AI, image generation, but what does it really, truly mean? Come, let's find out together. To understand this, let me tell you a small, simple story. Just imagine this. You are feeling very, very hungry, and you go to your favorite little hotel for a nice, hot dosa. You sit down, you're so excited, and you give your order. Now think, what does the cook do? Does he bring you an old dosa that he made yesterday? No, of course not. He takes fresh batter, he heats up the pan until it's nice and hot, and then right there, he creates a brand new, crispy, hot dosa just for you. He made something completely new. And that, my friends, that is the secret, to create something fresh and not just reuse something old. That is what generate means. So just remember the hot dosa. That is generate. Simple, no? So the most important point is this. When we say AI generates something, it means it is creating completely new content.
Can you please observe that generate to create new content, not copy paste, not stealing, and not repeating. Remember this one, not copy paste, not stealing, and not repeating. Okay, just can you please write in your notes? Just a matter of one line, right? Generate to create
Okay,
new
using
content.
old content and then adding its own, na?
Jyoti,
Yeah, sir, using old content and adding its own new content, then that is there, no?
you with using old content, it is going to generate brand new content. Remember this one, it's not going to provide exactly same content. Getting?
So the new content which it will add, so from where it will take that new content, little
New
bit of
content.
old data. Yeah.
Yes. It is going to be generated from the provided data only, but in our understandable form. Suppose here, very, very simple example. I provided one Java book. Okay, head first Java book to the AI model. Assume that. Okay. Now I'm asking, can you please provide the total Java summary into 1 or 2 lines for me? That 1 or 2 lines of Java, summary, generated based on that book only, but not copy paste of that book. Jyoti, are you in the position to understand? Okay, generated from that input only, but not copy paste. Okay, suppose I'm asking, can you please generate 5 bullet points about Java? Okay, in very simple Indian English. Then you are going to ask, can you please generate 5 bullet points in Hindi language? Some other person is going to ask in Kannada language, can you please generate? Or for school student level, can you please generate? But for all these generations, but the base is always what? That input book only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Jyoti, I hope you got.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Yeah.
Content. It is not doing a copy paste from somewhere. It is not reusing an old answer. It's making a new sentence, a new picture, a new idea, just like our cook made a new dosa. Now, I know what you might be thinking. It's a very common question and a very good one. But wait, isn't AI just taking things from the internet and mixing them all together? Is it just copying? And the answer to that is a very simple, very clear no, it's not copying. And you know what's so amazing? How it works is actually a lot like how our own brains work. Just think back to your school or college days. Before a big exam, you might read 10 different books, right? You don't just memorize one book and copy-paste it. No, your brain learns all the different ideas, it understands the patterns, and then in the exam hall, you write a completely new answer in your own words. Well, guess what? AI does the same thing. It learns from billions and billions of examples, and then it creates something totally new. And this is why this is such a big, big change for all of us. You see, for all of history, only we humans could create new things, like writing a poem or painting a picture or making a new song. But now, for the first time ever, machines can also create. That is why it's so special. So, you might be thinking, how does this help me in my daily life? Well, if you are a student, it can help you generate ideas for your homework, your essays, your projects. And if you're working, it can help you generate professional emails, reports, or even new ideas for your boss. It saves so much of your time and your energy. Now, if you remember just one thing from our chat today, please let it be this. This is the golden rule. A search engine like Google, it finds information that is already there. But a generative AI like ChatGPT, it creates new information that did not exist before. Finding versus creating. It's a very, very big difference, you see. My dear friends, many people around you might think AI is just a toy, something to play with for fun. But you are learning the truth. You know now that AI is not a toy. It is a very, very powerful tool. And always remember this simple line. AI is not some kind of magic that we cannot understand. No, think of it like this. AI is a brain, but with super fast speed. It learns and creates, just like we do, but just much, much, much faster. And by learning these simple ideas, one by one, day by day, you are not just watching the future happen. No, you are becoming a smart user of this new, powerful brain. You are getting ready, and that is so wonderful. That's all for today. You did so well. And always remember, my friends, small learning daily makes big success one day. I will see you again very soon.
Yeah. Okay. Now, if we create our own custom GPT, if we train with our own data, if we do it practically, okay, if we do it manually ourselves, then majority of doubts by default will be clarified. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, we will some Java entry questions or Python or AI entry questions. Okay, with AI data, I want to create my own custom GPT. Okay, with that data, so my GPT, custom GPT is going to train with this data. Now you can ask anything about this data, my GPT is going to provide. If I do that on our own, then small, so whatever, okay, small doubts by default will be clarified. Don't worry at all. 365 days promise, just the 8th day only. Slowly, one by one, the things are going to be clarified. Okay, that's all, friends. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation.
Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
yeah.
I have one question. Before to learn this AI classes, how much Python content we need to know? What are all the things we need to know?
At least until OOPS concept.
Okay, sir.
At least OOPS concept compulsory.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm Saurabh, sir. Today I have joined your session. Today is
Yeah,
my
yes.
class.
Yeah, sorry.
Sir, I have to complete remaining sessions. Like today.
Please go through that. All are very basics only. Please go through. Please go through that. In
Small
channel
level,
already. In channel already you
No,
Follow
I
it,
don't.
right?
Which channel?
There is WhatsApp channel is there. Okay. Just
So I have not received WhatsApp channel.
anyone, can you please just copy paste that in the chat box? What is the channel name?
If anybody will write DURGASOFT, then it will automatically come. In the channel, if anybody will write
bit.ly
DURGASOFT, automatically.
slash AI with Durga Sir, huh?
Sorry, just write down.
Or anyone, can you please? Yeah,
Yeah.
that channel, WhatsApp channel information is there. Can you please? Okay.
Sir,
There
another,
all the previous videos already there. The last
sir,
7 videos.
okay. Another thing is that this AI we should use in our day-to-day life or our professional life.
Compulsory, man. It should be used in our personal life, day to day, in every aspect of our life. We require to use AI.
Okay. But slowly, I will get to know where to use AI in our day-to-day life and professional life.
Automatically.
And we should know minimum things like mathematics, statistics. These things is required.
Yeah, those are things even today also I don't know. Definitely, if it's required, that part I will teach because I have to learn, right? Otherwise, I can't understand.
Sir, actually, hello.
Okay. That mathematics related statistics, these kind of things we will take care.
That means AI is very interesting. AI is very interesting.
Not interesting, mandatory for us.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sir, one question. Sir, now like I'm Bharat. Generative AI means like we can summarize like this. It according to our input, it generates the output according to like it summarizes the like it gives the output according to our understandable language.
Yes, exactly. Human understandable form, it is going to generate the content.
Generate, which is not pre-existed.
Not pre-existed.
According to input, dynamically it will generate.
Exactly. At that time, if you go to the hotel, can you please, I want one onion dosha. From the fridge, if they are giving onion dosha to you, are you going to accept?
You will throw at him.
Generative AI, it won't. It will prepare, it will cook in front of you and generate.
According to our requirement.
Yes.
Yeah, that's.
Sir,
yeah, Santosh.
Sir, very good evening.
Good evening, Santosh.
Sir, actually, just in 2021, I designed and discovered some new mathematical formulas, and I want to research on that one. So once time when I got perfectly blended with that one, so that is also based upon the probability and statistics. So when I asked this matter to Professor of NIT Rourkela, he told me that the answer is n by n plus 1, n plus 1, and another factor he told me n factorial divided by n plus 1 factorial. So just take that mathematical, I just take that questions to the AI. I found that it gives the nearly about to 99% accuracy answer.
Oh, excellent.
99, sir, yesterday I have tested that one, yesterday.
Oh.
Nearly about same answer is giving.
Yeah, perfect, Santosh.
And sir, one more thing I would like to request you, sir, if possible, please show us one demo that if we upload one PDF file to the AI or any AI tool, that how it is generate a video that I want to see.
Yeah, definitely. In the notebook LM, I will explain so that everyone can generate the video.
Sir, you told that you will explain AI in both developer mode and consumer mode, right?
Consumer mode, yes.
And QA mode also can you explain?
QA, I don't know.
Testing.
let me. I don't know that QA mode. User, either user or
365 days is there, no?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, please give some hint so that I will prepare on my own.
QA mode for testers. We are testing into testing domain.
Yes,
automation domain. So you please explain us in that mode also.
Yeah.
If something is there.
Yeah, sure. That agentic AI also is going to be covered, friends. Someone is asking the question, sir, only generative AI or agentic AI? Agentic AI also will be covered. Don't worry. Okay. Just
every tool, sir,
we have to pay the money to use AI. Should we have to pay the money, or we can use free version?
There are some multiple free versions are there, sir. Okay, if it's really required, if the limits are not going to be accepted, then you can go for the paid.
Then what is the difference between paid and free?
Just very simple limits. Suppose in the notebook LM per day, you can generate 1 video. If I pay the money, you are allowed to generate 20 videos.
Oh, okay.
Okay, in Gemini, you can generate only one video. If I pay the money, 3 videos I can generate, something like content.
Okay, sir, coming to the professional world, suppose I am creating one CI/CD pipelines in the prod environment. Suppose at night 3 a.m. my CI/CD pipeline get failed. Can I predict before that through AI so that I can rectify? That is happening in the professional world.
Yeah. Maybe.
Yes, sir, we can do it.
Yeah. Who is that? Niranjan?
Ananta.
Ananta. Can you please?
Yeah, we
explain
can
how?
do it through that AI.
How it is?
There he has some ML file are there.
Okay.
Okay, so with that ML file, we have got that. So tokens are we are generating from the CA side.
Okay.
Based on tokens, we are something related to that. Actually, I saw that my senior is done for this.
Because till now, sir, for CI/CD pipelines, we are doing manually because they are not giving the permission to the automation. Because if the pipeline will get failed in the production environment, it will cost a lot of
Correct.
to the client. For that reasons, our support team is doing 24/7 monitoring for that. As a developer point of view, we should push the code into the environment, but automate that pipelines is there. But if the pipeline get failed, we have to troubleshoot that. Otherwise, it
Can
will
you
cost
please observe that? Can you please? Are you seeing the from the screen? CI/CD pipeline failed in the production. How can prevent by using AI? Getting?
Yeah.
There is just to go through that by typing the same in the chat.
My senior did this
Definitely you will
task.
get. Yes.
Recently.
Okay. We can. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. AI can really help to prevent CI/CD failures in production, mainly by catching issues before deploy and by making rollback faster. Okay. Predict a failure before deployment, AI risk score, AI based smart test selection, AI code review plus security checks, dot. Just go through that. Okay.
Okay. Right.
Sir, one more questions. Sir, you have told that notebook LLM can able to generate the PDF to video.
Videos.
And Gemini can also can create.
Gemini notebook LLM is specialized. From any source we can generate videos.
Sir,
yeah.
The best one is Notepad LLM.
Yes. Notebook LLM. Not general videos, ad, these kind of things. Gemini is the responsible, not from PDF file kind of thing.
But Notebook LLM has the ability to convert the PDF file to
video file.
Yes. So total 10 minutes of video it can create.
8 to 10 minutes. Based on the content, it will generate.
So suppose content is of 10 pages or 20 pages.
The same question, right? What you can do is convert into multiple parts. For every part, can you please generate video? If you want more.
Okay, I got your point.
Yeah.
Understand.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Shekhar Reddy, sir, you are asking some doubt, please.
Yeah. So there is one more technology that is evolving from Meta. It's called VLZipa.
Okay.
I put it in the chats.
Can you repeat again?
Yeah, I put it in the chats.
Okay.
This is much more interesting than how the transformer works.
Okay.
Transformer works. This is entirely different.
Mm-hmm.
It evolves with one point that why we need to predict. Why waste time in prediction?
Okay.
You said right. Hi, and the chain of events that happen behind the scenes. So this is a replacement for that.
Okay. VLZipa. Correct, right? Vision Language Joint Embedding Predictive Architecture. Yeah.
It's basically why you need next word prediction.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need next word prediction. There is a much more faster way to do this.
Okay.
That is this technology part.
Next level, advanced. Yeah. We will go through that, and definitely we will consider. Yeah.
There are videos also.
Sure. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation just for 5 minutes here. Okay. Whenever I'm using the technical terminal, small doubts will be there. Don't worry much. All those things slowly are going to be completed. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Right. Thank you.